morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 1 Presentation Assembly. Yes, we're here. It's Friday, the 1st of April 2022. We're just here to celebrate all those children in Year 1 who've earned themselves a presentation certificate throughout this whole spring term. The whole spring term, this is our presentation assembly for the spring term, awarding all those children who've been working so hard throughout. And we're kicking off first of all for the top 3 house points in each class. All those children earning all those merits that equate to those house points. And as you see, Mr. Ackerman's and Miss Marshall's children have been earning lots of house points. So we've got Jack Cully on 70, we've got Betsy on 72, and we've got Zara on 74. So those are the top 3 in Mr. Ackerman's. And in Miss Marshall's, we've got Marcy on 65, Willow on 66, and Toby up on 68. It's so close for you 3, so really well done, you 6 children. Huge congratulations, massive round of applause, everyone. Come on, let's give them all a big clap there. So really well done on earning all those merits and all of those house points as well to date. So keep it up and let's see if you can remain in the top 3 through the summer term as well. So well done, you 6 superstars. Well done. Onto our phonics stars, and here we go. Look at these phonics stars. So we've got Marcy, we've got Willow, we've got Ruben, and we've got Mason working so hard throughout with their phonics, and that's throughout this term. So really well done, guys. Huge congratulations on that. Well done. Enjoy taking your certificate home with you at the end today. Really well done, and keep up with that over Easter as well. Keep practicing with your phonics and your reading. So well done. And our math stars as well. Oh, look at these math stars doing amazing mathematics. You've got Toby, you've got Alfie, you've got Beatrix, and you've got Lucas being super mathematics stars, doing their maths mastery lessons and doing all their number work and doing that so well. So really huge congratulations, guys. Well done on earning your math certificates for the spring term. Really well done. Our reading stars, look at these reading stars. Been reading every single day. So we've got Ollie, we've got Ava, we've got Matilda, and we've got Angel. Huge congratulations. Well done, guys. Massive cheer for you guys. Really well done. Lots and lots of reading, I know, throughout. So really well done. Keep it up. You're getting a reading book to take home as well. So enjoy that. Tell me all about it when you come back after Easter as well. So well done, you 4 superstars. To our geography stars. These guys have been working so hard on their geography skills. So we've got Alinka, we've got Esme, we've got Naya, and we've got Sarah. Well done, you 4. I know you've been working really hard throughout this term on your geography because it's been a fantastic topic throughout. So well done on working so hard on your geography. Enjoy taking your geography certificate home with you today, you superstars. Well done. Finally, we have our science stars. So we've got Jensen, we've got Braylon, we've got Dorian, and we've got Lily working so hard on their science throughout this term as well. So well done to all of you for working so hard on that science. And I know how much you really enjoyed that as well, enjoying your science throughout. So brilliant work, and well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. To our PE stars, these guys are being physically active and just being super PE stars as well, all the way through. You've got Luz, we've got Oliver, we've got Lincoln, and we've got Tia being super active outside in that Year 1 garden, but also at break and lunch times and in their PE and games lessons. So well done, you 4. Be really proud of your PE certificates there. Look after them and keep being really physically active, especially over Easter as well. So not too many Easter eggs, and just make sure we're doing lots and lots of activity and lots of exercise. I know you 4 absolutely will. So well done. Enjoy taking those certificates home with you. On to Mr. Ackerman's class now. Mr. Ackerman's phonics stars. Here they are. So we've got Raphael, we've got Ahmed, we've got Bailey, and we've got Jessica. Superstars, absolute phonics superstars. So well done. Huge progress throughout this spring term. Really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today as well, you superstars. Well done. Look at these math stars. Look at these mathematicians. Look, some of them are even holding Jack. They're holding his golden ticket as well. Look at him. We've got Jack, we've got Evie, we've got Noah, and we've got Kylo working so hard on their maths throughout this whole spring term. All of their numbers, doing adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Really amazing work. So well done. Working so hard on all your maths mastery lessons, you superstars. Thank you. Well done. Our reading stars. Oh, look at these guys are going to be taking a reading book home with us as well. So we've got Caitlin, we've got Elizabeth, we've got Chadley, and we've got Jack. Well done, guys, on earning your reading certificates. You've been reading every single day. Really well done. You've got a book coming home with you as well. So you can carry on that reading over the Easter holidays as well. So enjoy those books and tell me all about them when you come back. Really well done. Our science stars. Look at these, our scientists. Look at these big smiles. They really are smiling. You've got Chadley, you've got Yasmin, you've got Esme, and we've got Betsy. Well done, guys, being amazing scientists of the future, I think. So really well done throughout this term, working so hard on all your science lessons, and big smiles from Mr. Allen as well. Your smiles are just making me smile as I watch you now. So well done. onto our history stars. Look, working so hard on history. So we've got Jackson, we've got Raphael, we've got Domas, and we've got Zara. So well done, guys, on working so hard on your history throughout this term. Fantastic effort. Enjoy taking your history certificate home with you because you really, really deserve it. So well done. Big smiles from Mr. Allen. Huge congratulations to you guys. Well done. Here we have our PE stars. Look, here they are. Here's all our physically active children from Mr. Ackerman's class. Look, we've got Oakley, we've got Lily, we've got Amelia, and we've got Willow being brilliant in all of their PE and games lessons and being really physically active at break and lunchtimes as well. So well done, you four. Well done on earning your PE certificates for the spring term. Really well done. And well done to everyone. What an amazing term from all of you at year one. Absolute superstars. Really well done, and keep up that amazing work after Easter as well into the summer term. All that's left for me to say is happy Easter, and obviously back to school Tuesday the 19th of April, because that Monday the 18th is a bank holiday. So we're back to school, gates open at 8:30 on Tuesday the 19th of April 2022. Have a wonderful, happy Easter, everyone, and we'll see you all then. Bye-bye now.